guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another episode of unboxing. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got from this site called Privalia and also known as Veepee, and I got some other stuff from Zalando. And yes, so let's dive in and see what we got. For those that don't know this site, this is how it looks, basically Veepee, and this is how their bags actually looks like. So for my 4 years old, I got this set. I like the color so much, and this one goes for 30 euro. The second stuff I got is this black set. This one is Nike, and this one was for 25 euro. And for my 11 years, I got him this sweater of Jordan. I think he's going to love so much. This one is this one was like 59 euro if I'm not mistaken. And to match with the sweater, I got him the trouser, joggers alongside the sweater, which is quite cool. This one goes for 30 euro. And last but not the least, from Privalia, I got this shirt, which I actually think is too small for my 11 years old. I thought it was going to be a normal size. Apparently it's too small, so basically I have to leave it either for his little brother, or I gave it to my nephew. I think my size is way even smaller. I don't know. Anyway, these are all the stuff I got from Privalia. Let's move over to Zalando. So from Zalando, I decided to get stuff for myself. Let's see what is inside. Okay, so I got myself this jacket because basically I don't have a black jacket and black goes with everything. So I got a proper jacket for myself from this brand called Only, and yeah, actually think it's gonna be nice. And this one, I got it on sale. It was for I don't know, it was like 60 before, and I got it for 25. The second stuff I got from Zalando is this long jacket, which I think between spring and when it's not too cold, it looks good. And also from this same brand, and this one too was on sale. It was like 70 euro before, and I got it for 25. Perfect deal. Yeah, so this is what I got for myself. I actually like it. Last but not least, I got this other stuff from a shop close to us. Basically just a jogger to take the kids to school and a sweater to go with the trouser. And for my son, I saw this, my 11 years old, I saw this and I actually like it. He used to have something of this same brand, but in another color. So I saw this and I said, it will look good on him. Anyway, that's all the stuff I got from the shops and the site. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please like, comment, and see you all in my next video.